Are you passionate about making a difference in healthcare? Interested in a career that involves helping others and constantly learning? Imagine a career that allows you to truly make a difference every single day. Not just any career, but a career in healthcare. Welcome to IHNA, Institute of Health and Nursing Australia, an institution committed to helping you achieve just that, ensuring the highest quality education and training in the healthcare sector. Established in 2007, IHNA has been a leading healthcare training provider, empowering over 22,000 students for rewarding careers in nursing, health, and community services. For more than 15 years, we've been offering nationally accredited qualifications, translating dreams into remarkable healthcare professions. IHNA is an award-winning education provider. When you choose IHNA, you'll be choosing an award-winning education provider. For the third consecutive year, IHNA has won the Award for Excellence in International Education, Private Education and Training at the Victorian International Education Excellence Awards 2023. IHNA is ranked among the top 100 educational institutes in Australia, as per the Webometrics ranking of world universities. And the key to our success, our campuses are at Melbourne, Sydney, Perth, Brisbane, and India are equipped with state-of-the-art facilities so you can learn with the best resources at your fingertips. Our experienced trainers, real-world professionals who know the ropes and open the doors to the practical side of healthcare. Flexible learning options that fit around your life, meaning you can study at your own pace. And our industry partnerships, which open doors for work placements at hospitals and aged care homes. Whether you're just out of school, career changer, or an international student willing to study in Australia, we have a course that suits your ambition. Begin your journey with us. Let IHNA be the stepping stone to your rewarding healthcare career.